Hello there. High pressure has dominated the weekend's weather and in fact much of the last couple of weeks. Will it hold on for a little longer? Looking at the pressure pattern for the next few days, it does stay over the UK, keeping it largely settled. However, we will continue to see low cloud push in from the North Sea, affecting eastern areas in particular. So if we take a look at the details for the rest of Sunday, it's a fine end to the day. That low cloud from the North Sea already pushing further inland, and that continues slowly south-westwards as we move through the early hours. Clearer skies, western Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of Wales and the West Country, and under that clear skies we could see temperatures dipping to single figures, mid-single figures in the countryside. Towns and cities generally holding up between 9 and 14 degrees. The cloud becoming thick enough by Monday morning to produce a few spots of light rain and drizzle, but a grey start for much of England. Best of the sunshine further north and west, also grey skies for north-east Scotland too. But through the day I'm hopeful the clouds should lift and break and generally start burning back towards eastern coast. So eastern coast of Scotland, eastern England could generally stay cloudy all day, quite cool with a northeasterly breeze here too. Parts of East Anglia, the East Midlands, London area also holding on to a little more cloud. But elsewhere, plenty of sunny spells, some cumulus cloud bubbling up for Northern Ireland, perhaps central parts of Scotland to give an isolated shower, but most places dry. And in that sunshine in the west, temperatures rising, high teens to low 20s, so feeling quite warm, always chilly towards the east, particularly along the coast, temperatures 14 or 15 degrees. UV levels highest in the west, 7s or 8s, so high to very high, just a little lower across northeast Scotland where the cloud will be at its thickest. And pollen levels generally high for much of the UK, just some low to moderate counts along the far north and east of the UK. So looking at Monday evening, we have a fine end to the day for many. That low cloud that's affected eastern coast will slowly push back inland, thick enough for some light rain and drizzle at times. Just notice how it just pushes a little further westwards compared to recent nights, with the clearest skies holding on for Northern Ireland, western fringes across Scotland and Wales. And under those clear skies, again, temperatures dipping into single figures, quite chilly. Under the cloud, generally 8 to 11 Celsius. So it means Tuesday morning will generally be a cloudier start across many areas, some drizzle in the wind being blown in with that brisk northeasterly breeze there towards the southeast. Best of the sunshine, Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales and Scotland, but through the day the cloud again starts to retreat. But just notice how perhaps towards the Midlands, eastern England, southeast England, cloud could hold on for much of the day here, but hopefully becoming a little brighter. Along some eastern coast, a little drizzle is possible, so it will be quite chilly here, and northeast Scotland too, holding on to the clouds. So temperatures 14 or 15 at the best. Come further west and temperatures in that sunshine again rising into the low 20s. So looking at the bigger picture once more to end the part of Tuesday and going in through Wednesday onwards, we can see that high pressure holding on, keeping it settled. However, this deep area of low pressure, named Storm Oscar by the Spanish Met Service, does start to introduce something a little bit more humid, the increasing risk of showers and hotter air too as we end the working week and going towards the weekend. So something to watch by the end of the week. In the meantime, high pressure keeps it largely settled across the UK. But if you'd like more information on the weather where you are, follow us on our social media channels. See you soon.